In this video, I'll show you how to publish your Google AI Studio app to the Google Play Store. The first thing you need to do is make sure you already have your app created in Google AI Studio. Move your mouse to the top right corner and click on Save App. Here you can type your app name, add a short prompt or description, and then click Save. This will save your app to your Google Drive, and it needs to be saved before you continue. Once your app is saved, go back to the top right corner and click on the Share App icon. From there, click on Copy Link to copy your app's public link. We'll use this link in the next step to turn your app into a mobile app. Now we need a third-party website that can convert your web app into a mobile app. For this example, I'll use a site called appmysite. Go to appmysite and click Start for free. Wait a moment for it to load, then click Create App in the top right corner. Next, type your app name, for example, Crypto Dashboard. Choose the option called Web to App, and in the link field, paste the link you copied from Google AI Studio. Then click Create App. Once the app is created, you can customize the design. Choose a color scheme that fits your app, such as orange, and click Continue. You'll now see the main dashboard. On the left side, click on Preview to see how your app will look on Android and iPhone. You might need to sign in with your Google account to enable the preview. After previewing, click Download under the Preview section. You'll see an option to build an Android app. Click on Build App. Click on Build App again in top right corner, and wait while the system generates your APK file. Once the app is built, hover over the Publish button and click on Publish on Google Play Store. This will take you to the Google Play Console page. Sign in with your Google account, upload your app file, and complete the verification process. After everything is approved, your Google AI Studio app will be published on the Google Play Store and ready for users to download. And that's it. That's how you publish your Google AI Studio app to the Google Play Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Google and tech tutorials.